You feel the weight on him, Hudson? That's it. That's it.
Go on, mate. That's it. Keep going.
Good lad.
Keep on. Sit, keep walking back. Right, you ready? Fine. All of it's not going to be happening.
I think it's still got a while to go. This is the easy way to do it, eh, Chris? Just let him wind it for you. How much top shot you got on it, do you know?
Only about 30 metres.
Oh, is that all?
Yeah.
No, I'd have like mono on the top.
150.
Really? It's not my meters or Hudson's meters. At least it's not taking anymore. Gone back out. Now, keep going. Now you can see his fin. I'm absolutely bursting for a piss. Yeah, it's just in the front breakers there. We'll get him this time. What? Get some muscles. Better be a big enough for this. Right. There, see him. He's at the front now. wind him, wind him. That's it. I think this is the last run. Stop, he says. Yep, yep.
Right, with these two guys, alright? We're going to walk backwards. Right, ready? Go. Stop, 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 stop. Go, go. Step.
He's near. Keep going, keep going, keep going. He's nearly on the beach. Looks like a good size, that mine. He's got him. Keep it, pull the slack in.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Get in there, son. I'm knackered at you.
His right arm must be killing.
Ah.
Yeah.
Come on, I was going to get a photo.
Oh, it's a big one.
He is a big one.
It's a big one, that.
You got my phone, bro? Has he? Oh, you got two fish? Yeah. Well, you hold that. You're going to get a photo. Watch that wave. Yeah, look, you hold this. Yeah, I'll get a photo with you. Alright, I'm going to stand around the back of it. Oh, he's a big one, isn't he?
Oh, I just see you slacking him.
It's on the last one. I don't like this angle.
Oh, just step back, you. I don't want you anywhere near him. Other than, yeah, you. Just chop it if you need to, Chris.
No, just only rig.
Oh, well, do you want to catch another one? Right, you watch that. Yeah? Hudson,
Yep.
you watch that, yeah? Don't stand on it.
Oh, yeah.
You want me to get on it?
A little bit of a battle. Took some getting in. Oh, he's not happy.
Close.
He's not happy.
Come on, mate. I really don't want to put my hand in it. Oh, yeah. Someone grab that line. Around there. Just the lead line. Grab it, yeah. It's three around here so I can actually...
That's it.
That's it.
That's it. We're good.
Right, so let's get you a photo, mate.
Go on, Hudson down. Stay around, go around. Go around the back.
Just stay there, stand where you are, remember?
Yeah,
Around there.
that's it.
Well, that do you?
I do. Get down, get down.
Come on, get some.
Come on.
Woo!
Jeez, that was great, that wasn't
Jesus
it?
Christ.
Is it a bronze vela?
Hey,
Bronze vela?
yeah, yeah. Use the drone to take the bait out past the breakers.
Yeah, right.
So yeah.
Yeah, well, you're hitting more than young fella.
It's just an unnatural angle, you know what I mean?
It was touching quickly. Go around the back of it, around the back of it.
We're dragging back in now.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Right, run. back to the U now.